Today, let's see what ETL process is. So ETL process stands for extract, transform and load. It is used as a data integration part, which helps us to integrate all the data. So the first step is E, which stands for extract. So we extract data from different sources like SQL, NoSQL, XML files, web pages, emails. And after extracting the data, we go to the next phase, which is transform. So what do we transform and how do we transform? We can transform based on some kind of filtering requirements. We can clean the data. We can duplicate or deduplicate. We can validate the data and authenticate it. We can also perform certain kinds of calculation which can involve changing of rows as well as units. Suppose some column is in meters, but I want it in centimeters, so I'll convert it. The next thing is we can audit it, or we can just encrypt the data which is confidential to government or to our company, as well as we can transform and format the data into tables or join tables to match the schema. Okay, so this is what happens in the transforming phase. After transforming phase, we go to the load phase. So in this load phase, we just move the data which is transformed into a staging area into a data warehouse where it can be used for. In the last video, we discussed what data warehouse is and how it is different from data lakes. So this data can be taken from a lake, ETL process can be done on it, and this data is then stored into a data warehouse where it can simply be used for various things like analysis, business intelligence, visualizations, etc. So I hope you understand what ETL process is in this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.